Have you ever wondered why some plants in your home look absolutely vibrant and healthy, while others struggle to survive? What if I told you that the secret to transforming your plants lies in something as simple as a banana? Today, we are going to explore one of the most effective and budget-friendly natural fertilizers that will completely change the way you care for your indoor and outdoor plants. Stay with me as we uncover the science behind banana water and show you the incredible transformation that happens in just 7 days. Before we dive into this amazing technique, I want you to understand why this works so well. Bananas are packed with potassium, which is one of the 3 essential macronutrients that plants need to thrive. If you are someone who has been buying expensive fertilizers, synthetic nutrients, and chemical-based plant foods, then this video is going to save you a significant amount of money. Not only that, but this method is completely organic, completely safe for your children and pets, and it produces results that are honestly comparable to commercial fertilizers. By the end of this video, you will have all the knowledge you need to create your own banana water fertilizer at home. Let me explain exactly what banana water is and why it is so beneficial for your plants. Banana water is simply an infusion made by soaking banana peels in water. When you leave banana peels in water for a certain period of time, they release their nutrients into the water, creating a nutrient-rich liquid that acts as a natural fertilizer. The primary nutrient that gets released is potassium, which is absolutely crucial for plant growth. Potassium plays several important roles in plant development. First, it strengthens the cell walls of your plants, making them more resistant to diseases and pest attacks. Second, it enhances the photosynthesis process, which means your plants can convert sunlight into energy much more efficiently. Third, potassium helps your plants absorb water better, which means they stay hydrated even during dry periods. Fourth, it promotes flowering and fruiting, so if you have flowering plants or vegetable gardens, this will directly impact your yield and the beauty of your blooms. Beyond potassium, banana peels also contain phosphorus and calcium, which are equally important for root development and overall plant structure. When you use banana water consistently, your plants develop stronger roots, which allows them to absorb more nutrients from the soil. This creates a cycle where your plants become healthier week after week. What makes banana water even better than many commercial fertilizers is that it is completely natural. There are no harmful chemicals, no synthetic additives, and no unknown ingredients. You know exactly what you are putting on your plants because you made it yourself from organic bananas. This is especially important if you are growing vegetables or herbs that you plan to eat. Now that you understand why banana water is so beneficial, let me walk you through the exact process of making it. This is incredibly simple, and you probably already have everything you need at home. First, take 2 to 3 banana peels. You can use peels from bananas that you have already eaten, or you can use whole bananas if you prefer. The key is to use organic bananas if possible because they do not contain pesticide residues. Place these banana peels into a clean container, preferably a glass jar or a plastic bottle. Make sure the container is clean so that no bacteria or contamination interferes with your infusion. Next, fill the container with 1 liter of filtered water or tap water. The water does not have to be distilled or special in any way. Regular tap water works perfectly fine. Make sure the banana peels are completely submerged in the water. If they float to the top, you can use a small object to weigh them down. Now comes the waiting part. Cover your container loosely with a cloth or a paper towel and place it in a cool, dark location. The ideal temperature is between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not place it in direct sunlight because UV rays can break down some of the nutrients. Let the banana peels soak in the water for approximately 48 hours. During this time, The potassium and other minerals will slowly leach out of the peels and into the water. After 48 hours, strain out the banana peels using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. What remains is your nutrient-rich banana water. This liquid should be a pale yellow color, which indicates that the nutrients have successfully transferred into the water. If the water is clear, you may need to let it soak for a few more hours. You can store this banana water in a sealed container in a cool place for up to 2 weeks. However, I recommend using it fresh because the nutrients are most potent immediately after preparation. Some people also prefer to add a small pinch of Epsom salt to their banana water, which adds magnesium and sulfur, but this is completely optional. Now let us talk about how to apply banana water to your plants and what you can expect to see over the next 7 days. This is where the real magic happens, and this is what will convince you that this method actually works. For the next 7 days, you are going to apply banana water to your plants 3 times. Space out your applications by 2 to 3 days. So on day 1, you apply banana water. Then on day 3 or 4, you apply it again. And finally, on day 6 or 7, you give it one more application. Do not apply it every single day because overfeeding your plants with nutrients can actually be counterproductive and may cause nutrient burn on the leaves. When you apply the banana water, use about 100 to 150 milliliters per plant, depending on the size of the plant and the size of its pot. Pour the banana water directly onto the soil, not on the leaves. This ensures that the roots absorb the nutrients and the water does not evaporate from the leaf surface. If you are using this on a larger garden or outdoor plants, you can dilute the banana water by mixing it with an equal amount of regular water. On day 1, before you start applying the banana water, take a photograph of your plants. Document the color of the leaves, the size of the plant, the number of leaves, and the overall appearance. This baseline photograph will help you appreciate the changes that occur over the next 7 days. Within the first few days, you will start to notice subtle changes. The leaves may appear to have a slightly deeper green color, which indicates that the plant is absorbing the nutrients and producing more chlorophyll. The stems may become thicker and more rigid, which shows that the plant is developing stronger cell walls. If your plant was drooping or looking slightly weak, you may notice that it perks up and looks more upright within 3 to 4 days. By day 5 or day 6, the changes become much more noticeable. New leaf growth will become visible, especially at the tips of the branches and stems. The existing leaves will appear shinier and more vibrant. Flowering plants may start to develop new buds or show more intense colors in their current blooms. The overall size of the plant may appear slightly larger due to increased growth. By day 7, when you compare your plant to the baseline photograph you took on day 1, the difference is usually quite striking. Plants that looked dull and tired now look vibrant and healthy. Plants that were showing slow growth now display visible new leaves and branches. The transformation is real, it is measurable, and it is all thanks to the simple power of banana water. Let me explain the science behind why banana water produces such dramatic results in just 7 days. When plants receive a boost of potassium through the banana water, several physiological processes are triggered simultaneously. The plant cells become more efficient at water uptake, which means the plant stays hydrated and turgid. Turgor pressure is what keeps plant cells firm and makes leaves and stems look crisp and healthy. At the same time, the plant is producing more chlorophyll, which is the green pigment that captures light energy. More chlorophyll means the plant can photosynthesize more efficiently, which means it produces more energy for growth. With more energy, the plant can dedicate resources to producing new leaves, strengthening existing structures, and even preparing for flowering or fruiting. The potassium also activates enzymes in the plant that are responsible for nutrient transport and metabolism. This means the plant becomes more efficient at using every single nutrient it has access to. Even if your soil is not particularly rich, the banana water acts as a catalyst that helps your plant extract maximum value from the nutrients that are already present. Additionally, potassium plays a crucial role in regulating the osmotic balance inside plant cells. This means your plants can better handle stress from factors like irregular watering, temperature fluctuations, and humidity changes. Your plants essentially become more resilient and more capable of thriving even in less than ideal conditions. To get the absolute best results from this technique, follow these additional tips. First, make sure your plants are getting adequate light. Banana water enhances the plant's ability to photosynthesize, but photosynthesis requires light. If your plants are in a very dark corner, move them to a brighter location before starting this 7-day challenge. Second, maintain consistent watering practices alongside the banana water application. Do not let your soil dry out completely between waterings, and do not overwater either. The goal is to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Third, ensure that your plants are in a temperature-stable environment. Extreme temperature fluctuations can stress your plants and reduce the effectiveness of the banana water treatment. Keep your plants away from cold drafts, heating vents, and direct heat sources. Fourth, consider removing any dead or diseased leaves before starting the treatment. This allows the plant to focus its energy on new, healthy growth rather than trying to repair or sustain dying foliage. Fifth, if you have plants with particularly thin or delicate leaves, you might want to dilute the banana water a bit more to prevent any potential nutrient burn. Some plants are more sensitive than others, so it is good to observe how your specific plants respond. This technique works wonderfully on virtually all plants, but some plants respond especially well to banana water. Flowering houseplants like African violets, orchids, and begonias show dramatic improvements because potassium directly promotes flowering. Vegetable plants, particularly tomatoes, peppers, and squash, produce more fruits with better flavor when given potassium supplements. Foliage plants like monstera, philodendron, and snake plants develop deeper, richer green colors and faster growth rates. Succulents and cacti also benefit from banana water, though they require less frequent applications due to their water-storing capabilities. Herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary become bushier and more productive after banana water treatment. Even outdoor plants like roses, hibiscus, and flowering shrubs show noticeable improvements in bloom production and color intensity. Garden vegetables show increased yield and better resistance to common plant diseases. The 7-day banana water challenge is a simple, effective, and completely natural way to transform the health and appearance of your plants. You do not need expensive fertilizers or complex techniques. All you need is banana peels, water, and a little bit of patience. The results speak for themselves. Start this challenge today, document the journey, and share your results with other plant lovers. Your plants will thank you with vibrant growth and beautiful blooms.